What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to fit a micro SD card and battery into the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So right guys, the first thing we need to do is open the door. So this side it's got the mode button and the on and off button. On the other side is the door. So if you can see here, there's a latch here. And to open it, what you need to do is pull this back towards this way. And then you'll see a red indicator and you can lift it up then. So if you can see that, that's where the indicator is, and we can lift it up now. So right guys, it's open, and if you can see right there, that's where the micro SD card goes into. So I've got my micro SD card here. And this is the micro SD card I'm going to use. So to fit the micro SD card, you need to have it facing this way. And if you can see that where the teeth are, it needs to slot into the back of there like that. So if you can see that, it's in there now. And all you do is push it down and it's spring loaded. So there you can see it's gone in now. If you need to take it out, you need to push it back down and it'll pop back up. And now you simply pull it back out if you need to take it back out. But you put it back in and make sure it clicks back into place. Like so. And now we'll put the battery in. So the battery itself will go in this way round. Into the back of it, and you just simply push it in, and that's done now and it's ready. All you need to do is shut your door, and that's all done for you. So right guys, that's how you fit a micro SD card and battery into the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.